And welcome back to the final part 4, in which now we will add the birds to the sky. So now to create birds, you want to have them in black. You want the black birds. So in order to have the black of the birds, you need to come here. You need to come here. What am I doing, man? Okay, in order to add the black of the birds, you need to come here. You come here and you click on this, and the birds are easily drawn. You just do like that, and you do like that. Bird number 1, boom. Bird number 2, boom. Bird number 3, boom. Bird number 4, and then you need to know how to do it. You need to know how to do it. You come here, you add that, and then you stretch it. Um, and that's how you make the birds of the sky. You drop that. You come here, and you drop that a bit. You come here, you drop. You drop. Boom. So you come here, you drop. You drop. This is really a lot of birds in the sky, man. Like, yeah, yeah. You come here, and you drop. And that is how you create the birds of the sky. So we could probably throw a little man in there somewhere. So let's try and add a little dude. You're gonna come here. You're gonna use this. We wanna small it in. Small it in. Now this, we got it nice. Put the hands out. And then you put a head. And then you put sub. Shoot. He's too big. I want to drop him down a little bit more. And put a little head. Put a little head. Put a little body. Put a little hands. Put a little eye. And a mouth. And he says, please. Please. SUBSCRIIBE. I'm there. We've completed the 4-step course on how to draw. Now, if you want a more in-depth course, just leave a comment below and I will give you a more in-depth course. So, yeah, you need to learn to draw like me.